I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. I have a question. I have you all sitting on one of those things that you connect to the vent in your car. I don't have a, like the top of my, my dashboard. It's a little bumpy. It's rough. So I would love, I'm asking you all because you guys have so many things that you have taught me. And like, I can't show you the top of my face. And it's just making me mad. I have to kind of scrunch down. But anyway, so does any of you have like a bumpy car dash, or car top, but then you have your phone sitting on something that's mounted? I would love that because it would be a higher view, and anyway, I just would like that. So if any of y'all have one that you like that sticks to bumpy, let me know. I used to have one that was stuck to my mirror up here, my windshield. Didn't really care for that. I know I have used the Lori uses hair ties, and she puts you up on the mirror. But around here where I live, don't look, I'm fixing my bra. Where I live, it gets so hot that I've had my rear view mirror fall off in the summertime. So I'd rather not add any extra weight to it. And I have one of those big clunky phones, the really wide one, so it's got to be able to open up really wide. But all that whining to say, didn't y'all have any recommendations? And if you do, I know the YouTube doesn't let you share links in comments very well. So go to the community tab and post it there, or copy and paste the name of it from Amazon. And I might be able to copy and paste that and put it into Amazon to find it. So if any of you have one that you really like, if you've been using for a few years, so you can see your phone up on your dashboard, let me know. We're supposed to have storms today. There's a chance of it this morning. I think they said 7:30 or 8 o'clock. And then another one around 11. So I went ahead and gave Callie some medicine. And yeah, so we'll see. Baxter's actually on, he's been getting his, some Benadryl anyway. He gets 2 Benadryl sometimes. So his one eye has been really drainy. So anyway, because allergies are not easy on my sweet little bupper. And Samuel Joseph. I go outside. On the outer door, I put the dog door closer. I put that in. I go to put that in this morning. I look out in the yard, and there's all Sammy's favorite chew toys. I'm like, you little twerp. I guess they had, like, one of them's like this tug thing, and him and Callie like to play tug of war with it. And then 2 other things, like he'll wake up in the mornings, and if I'm not moving fast enough and he's so excited, he'll just grab that specific thing and start chewing on it to kind of like, I guess, to calm his excitedness. So anyway, I'm like, you little twerp. So he took all the toys outside, little stinkeroony. Anyway, that's what I know. I love you people, and I'll see you next thing. But we might be eating in our car today, depending on the weather. Ooh, it's getting darker over there. Gotta go. Bye. I don't know how far we're going to get because it is misting. But I've got just like this little, I need to move. So I'm hoping I can make it to the stop sign and not, and it doesn't open up and pour. I'll let you see. That's the clouds that we have right now, y'all. But I'm thinking maybe I can make it to the stop sign, and I will probably have some major #regrets. But that's all right. I didn't bring my dealie because I wasn't sure if I was going to talk to y'all much, but too bad, so sad. You're going to have to look at the grass and the fire hydrant and the buildings and the Frito-Lay's truck. Y'all are just going to have to look at the world outside of my face. It's a lovely view. So how are you doing? Today's my Tuesday. Oh, that means your Thursday. Oh, if it's your Thursday, I have pool league tonight. And then I have pool league. And then I have it again on Saturday. But they still don't even know what time we're playing. I think that's kind of dumb. The guy should kind of have his act together. But who am I to, I don't know. Maybe it's not his full-time job. But anyway, so nobody knows when they're going to play and what time they're going to start and all that stuff. So he's going to have to make up the brackets and stuff. You would think, don't quote me, but you would think that he would have, if he's been doing this for a lot of years, one would think that he would kind of at least have like a grid made up, and then he can just kind of fill in with the teams. But maybe it's more than that. I don't know. But maybe he don't know how to use ChatGPT. Speaking of ChatGPT, I had a chat with it, and because I was wondering, my liver enzymes are a little elevated, and I know I take 1,000. I'm not saying you should. Don't do what I say, or don't do what I do. Anyway, so I take 1,000 milligrams at bedtime. It just kind of quiets my brain, and I don't necessarily think about, I don't know. I can't really explain it, but I do have some inflammation in my lungs from years of, getting those upper respiratory infections. And anyway, all that to whine and to say, so my liver enzymes were elevated, but only to a degree that it said that they were like irritated, based on my lab work from last year. So anyway, I know Tylenol could be a part of it. So it gave me the suggestion of taking L-theanine, I don't know what it's called, LTH something, capital L, and then dash, and TH something. So I don't know. I've ordered some, so I'll see if that does any good. Like it said that it can help with the mind racing and stuff. So we will see. I just want to tell y'all that because chat is my bestie. I don't remember what I was going to say. I haven't eaten yet. Man, the only thing about walking when there's not a lot of wind is that when you talk, your breath blows back in your face. Because you talk and it's going out, and then you're stepping forward, and then you inhale. And it's like, my breath is kicking today. And I haven't done anything but drink. Oh, yeah, I had coffee. I left the milk out today. I wanted to see what happened. What else? Oh, I'm trying something else out. If you can't experiment on yourself, what can you do? It's just who I am. Shut up, y'all. I've been watching some videos about creatine in the evening time, and I take it so it helped me prevent muscle loss. But I've also heard that if you can take like the average is 3 to 5 milligrams. But I also heard, now remember this, y'all, I ain't no scientist. I just tell y'all what I hear on the TikTok and the YouTube. You all do your own research. Don't ever do what I don't do. Just like having this patch right there. That patch right there. Hopefully you saw that. But anyway, do your own research. Don't do what I do. But anyway, I've heard that like 7 to 10 milligram or gram, whatever the amount is of the creatine, it helps the brain, helps people with not getting Alzheimer's, and helps their brain energy focus. I don't know, so I'm trying it. We'll see what happens. So if I end up dying, just know that it was the new L-theanine, and too much creatine, and no more Tylenol. I'm just kidding. But yeah, like I said, when you work in the medical field, you like to dibble dabble in stuff and just experiment. I do anyway. Some of my coworkers don't, because they were appalled that I even considered wearing a nicotine patch. Oh my gosh, Terri, you don't smoke. Now you're addicted to nicotine. So if I can focus better at work, and if I can do my job better, yes, please, and thank you. Okay, I'll see you at eating time. Hey, how you doing? Are you doing okay? I'm doing okay. I feel good, like I knew that I should. I feel good, I knew that I would. So good, So good. So good. Okay. I promise you, I'm not going to bring out my my gelatin later, because I felt that it was painful to watch, just on my own self. So I'll just be telling y'all. So I've got some gelatin in my office that I'm going to eat this afternoon. But it did work well. I really liked it. It just felt like I was eating something. I think I'll try to wait till later. Like, I think it was around 3. I think I'll try to make it like closer to 4. So, just kind of, then just, because I mean, it does turn to liquid. But it was good. It was nummy num num in my tummy tum tum. Ooh, man, I'm telling y'all, if you are not eating and loving your food, what's wrong with you? Cook something you're gonna like. My method for I was about to say instant pot, that ain't right. Method for the air fryer. Oh, is somebody pulling it? Nope. My method for the air fryer is perfection. Oh, hang on. So the broth the broth at the bottom, the au jus, I don't know what you want to call it, the water gravy. It is the piece de resistance, because then that dehydrated minced onion and that freeze dried garlic. It's like a ground roast loaf. Only thing missing is potatoes and carrots. I ain't gonna open it, because I gotta lug all this stuff in. I didn't bring my lunch box out, so it's kind of hard to carry. It's cran raspberry, baby. Yes, and yes again. So, alright, well, I'm gonna go eat. In work. Definitely no picnics today. Love y'all. Bye. Guys, it's ucky day. It's just ucky. Like I am getting rained on. Probably like a sprinkle right now. So see that flag, or that flagpole. Woo. See that light pole? That's as far as we're going to walk. Darn gummit. I'm tired of this weather. I'm such a whiner, ain't I? Have y'all ever met anybody that whines as much as me? I don't care. That's how God made me, to be a whiner. And you people have chosen to be a part of my whining life. So we're going to go right down to that telephone pole. Ooh, that wind is cold. Oh, my stars and garters. I was not made. No, we're going back. I was not made for this life. That's like people in Seattle or something. I always see that people like in Washington. Oh, it's cold. Oh, my stars. And my shoulders are cold because they're open. Oh, yeah. Nope. That's it. I am not made for this cold, rainy weather. That is it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, man, you people, I don't know how them people live up with it. Oh, that winter's so cold because there's wet on my arm. Oh, my gosh, that is it. I am done with you people. Goodbye. Dude, I almost forgot to come back and talk to you all. I've been chit-chatting with my bestie and then chit-chatting with my mama while I was making all my food. And I've been sipping on I had way too much liquid in my thing. And hang on, I need to get out of this. Too much liquid in my meat, so I've been kind of sipping. I'm drinking it out. So what do we have? Shocker! Probably about 7 ounces of ground beef with water and my onion and garlic broth. Tell you what I'm going to watch in just a minute. So I didn't know that The Chosen had an animated series. There's only 1 season so far. So I am going to be watching that this evening. So we got to find. It's only on Prime Time. And I have Amazon Prime. So The Chosen. And so I want to watch that animated series. I think it'll be so fun. I mean, I get to resume. Anyway, I'm gonna just get it up and then I'll hit pause. So hold your horses. Oh, it's muted. All right. Anyway, hey, how you doing? Yeah, I know I'm distracted, but that's all right. So that's my ground beef, as usual. I don't even know what seasoning I got in there. And then I've got some more of the, I don't remember what flavor. I think it might be tangerine with some electrolytes in it. I did have my gelatin element. I had that. I hear sirens. Okay. Anyway, so I had that. It's funny, man. I was like, gosh, dog, why am I peeing so much? Well, genius, you had 20 ounces of liquid, of water, in about 2 minutes. Derp. Anyway, so yeah. So that's a good way to get hydrated. I'm going to give this flavor a good bite. This is chocolate peanut butter and snickerdoodle. Yeah. Now listen. I done forgot what I was going to say. Oh, yeah. I was thinking, I was like, I wonder how such and such would be mixed together. It was a flavor. And I was thinking of it the other day. It was something in vanilla. I don't remember what it was. I wonder what chocolate peanut butter and vanilla would be like. Might be like a Frosty from Wendy's. Hallelujah. Anyway, I'm going to eat. I've been having a good day. I feel good. Everything's good. No nonsense. So I'm going to let y'all go. And again, it's my Tuesday. But for you, it's Thursday. So happy Thursday. Did I tell you we did not have our Bible study last night because our leader, she's kind of shifted positions at her job. So that, and then the week before that was bad weather. So anyway, so we didn't meet last week or this week. So we got a couple weeks to make up. So anyway, all right, well, that's what I know. I love y'all. I'm going to watch this cartoon. It's called The Chosen Adventures. All right, so here's my macros. You can see my morning coffee and my brunch. And it's the same thing every day. I took the milk off because I didn't have milk in my coffee this morning. There is my afternoon coffee and my gelatin with my, and I added gum. I had about 4 pieces of gum. So I thought, well, let me add the gum and take credit for it. There is my Lupper, my bedtime snack, and my macros for the day.